I can't believe this is happening. I bought an S2000 and it's a dream come true. This car is on everybody's wish list, and the fact that it came with its original suspension and exhaust is like a sign from God. Now I am gonna put it back to stock so I can build it from scratch, but before I do, this car is already a million times better than I would have ever expected it to be. It has high mileage at 197,000 and the check engine light is on, but it's a S2000 for crying out loud. The more you look at it, the dreamier it gets. Everything in the interior is geared toward the driver, like the door controls, the radio controls, the climate controls, and even the shifter is in the perfect armrest position. But the most famous part about the interior is the gauge cluster, specifically the digital tachometer that redlines at 9,000 RPM, which even by today's standard is just simply insane. To put that into perspective, the only other cars that I know of that rev up that high are the Porsche 911 GT3, the Ferrari 458 Italia, and the Lexus LFA, all of which have way bigger engines. So the fact that this little 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 240 horsepower is in the same category just blows my mind. The car unfortunately does need a lot of work. The fenders are beat up, the exhaust rattles every so often, and the driver's side carpet is all torn up from normal wear and tear, but all in all, that just means more content. So stay tuned for the journey because it is literally so dreamy.